So how to fix this issue where your Google Play Store is not opening? Okay, so how to fix this in Android phone? So the very first fix is just go to settings and scroll down and find apps. Tap on apps, and in the list of apps just find Google Play services. These are alphabetically sorted, so you can find Google Play services. Tap on it. Now scroll down and find storage. Tap on storage and tap on clear cache. Okay, now tap on manage storage and tap on clear all data. Now try to open Google Play Store again and see whether your issue has been resolved or not. If this does not get resolved, then what you can do, you can just locate Google Play Store on your phone and then long press on it, and then you have to just tap on this information icon, which is app info in some phones. This is in Samsung Galaxy phones, Samsung phones. This shows as a information icon. Okay, so just tap on it and you will reach here. Now what you have to do, you have to scroll down, find storage, same storage, tap on it, tap on clear cache, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now try to open Play Store again and it will open without any issue. If still it is not opening, then just restart your phone. Okay, just restart your phone, and then once it restarts, try opening Play Store again. So thanks for watching, guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.